Hi guys. So I'm just reviewing my trade from BTC today, reviewing the longs I had earlier in London session. So I bought BTC from this level to the imbalance that was in Asia kind of. So that was like my drawn liquidity above London sessions highs, the highs that were formed and potentially these highs. So that was all the idea I had. And how did I do that? I had seen that we had taken out all of this imbalance from yesterday. Okay, like long-term imbalance. We did all of that movement down, took all of that. So if you check your higher time frame, like 1 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, you'd find imbalances there. So at the start of London, 2 a.m. New York time. What I'm looking for is there a load that has been stamped? So seeing that delivery market structure shift above highs coming down, I'm seeing this as the range that is put down already because this range takes out what sell side and this range takes out what buy side. So we're seeing this as the whole range. So a return towards discount in what? Look at the timing. London session, right? A return to discount in what's London session, 2 a.m. As soon as it's 2 a.m., it's forming the swing low. I'm entering buys and targeting the buy stops. Okay, so that was the trade I had earlier today. I've held a bearish bias for BTC, but this is just a test. This is not something I'm willing to try out. It's just, you know, because based off discipline wise, like just being disciplined, like and being a newbie, you shouldn't be trying to like catch more than two opportunities in a day. You should just do one, be satisfied, and be done. Okay, so but I shared this with the group earlier where we had the 4 hour imbalance up here. We had this displacement lower below the 15-minute low. So a return to that imbalance is kind of what you would have used on your 1 minute to anticipate what lower pricing. But that was just that about that. Okay, so I'm really anticipating the larger sales tomorrow. Okay, but there's still time. It's 4 p.m. New York time, so almost four, and time for entering trades are basically done. So I really think we can see lower pricing. So here. If we don't, if for any reason this is stopped out, obviously I'm not in this position right now. The only one I took here, and it was called live, literally. So this I'm not holding any real position. I'm still anticipating. It gone to my head. I want to see price what go above this high, close like this for the rest of today. Tomorrow, London session, go above the high and still come down. Either ways, I am shifting bearish on BTC. So bearishness on BTC. I've tried to respect all the buying. I've done all of that. Even previous day, yesterday, we had bullishness. I still did that. But this session, if we're not delivering the shot, then till tomorrow. Okay. And I'll still have the sell stops from here as my target. Okay. The sell stops from London's lows. So that's basically the trade I had for BTC. Moving on to gold, I took a short position today on gold and I took it from this level. This was the actual trade. I'm still in the trade right now, although still facing a little bit of retracement. I still hold my bias for, lows like this, short-term lows. So let's see how that goes. I'm already break even on the trade. So if it stops me out break even, I don't mind. It got very close. I didn't get stopped out. So, I might as well just leave the edge to play out. So yeah, what else? EU. I did EU longs too today. Like, yeah, we had such amazing delivery. The SMT in correlation with GBP USD, right? We'll compare the lows because we're bullish. Compare the lows. Can you see this low? This is lower than this. So at the time, British pound, GBP was taking out the lows. EU was saying, no, I will never take up the lows. And what does it give you? A fair value gap where you can anticipate what entries. Use here, stop loss, find your entry model and what still deliver for higher pricing. So London sessions has on mine. I I took partials here, basically killed on my took partials here and left the rest to run for this level. So watch how we formed an imbalance here in the order block. So that's also high probability, and then we've found higher pricing to London sessions highs. So that is that about my day. Today was a very beautiful trading day. Euro USD, I entered two positions there, like 26 pips. I'm picking 13 pips. Yeah, about like 47 pips in total for this trade today. And today was the high impact. Today was the high impact from where University of Michigan, right? The prelim. So prelim high impact, that was all we had today. And then see, that was by 10 a.m. New York time. So knowing that, look at the time the news came out, 10 a.m. Let's find 10 a.m. Cool. This was when the news came out. So really bullish. At this time was when I was entering my short position on gold. So watch it, 10 a.m. New York time, this level. That was when I was entering my short. So I'm still in gold, although I'm break even. So move my stop loss to my entry is the weekends, and I don't want to leave that. I'm hoping maybe at the start of the week we can get a rundown. Cool. If we don't, that's also fine. But I'm break even and I'm okay and satisfied with that. For BTC, for EU, this was what we were able to catch today in London, so in New York session. A raid on what? London's lows, targeting London's highs, and done. Like, you're a day trader. I'm a day trader, so I'm not looking to for so much. I'm just looking for key sessions highs and looking to take out, most of my positions at premium levels like that, session size. So CBTC, like I don't like this. Like I like trades that do not take time, displace away. Like I'm very concerned about how long my trade is staying in my entry. Very big deal for me. So the moment I'm having so many things like this, I'm reducing the probability for that trade coming through immediately. I'm not trying to waste time. I'm saying this is wasting time, it's killing time, and I'm not interested in any trades that will reduce my mental capital in such a way. So gold is still running. Hopefully it runs to TP or we're break even. So gold is still running. We're basically break even on gold. EU we banked TP, and BTC we already banked TP in the morning. So yeah, that's basically all about how my day went. Straight to the point, no filters. And see you all in the next video. Um, it's the weekends. I'll still be looking at BTC obviously because it's the weekends, and nobody knows what's going to happen between, the whole Iran US thing is a lot of volatility, and the weekends you can leverage on such opportunities in key sessions of the day. So London session tomorrow, New York session tomorrow. I'll be looking for BTC lower pricing setups. Okay. So thank you all for sticking to the end of this video. And please like if you see this video on YouTube, like, share, comment. Let me know what you think. And I hope this video helps you. Cheers.